angle between two lines. Now let's find the formula for angle between the two lines. Now according to the figure, this figure, let theta be the angle between two lines whose inclination to x-axis is theta 1, this one, and theta 2. Okay. Now here we can mention it. Now let theta be the acute angle and phi, I have mentioned a phi here, this part, okay, and phi be the obtuse. Between the lines. Now theta 1 to theta 1, what we can write it? Theta 1 is equal to theta plus theta 2 exterior angle property. Now what theta will be then? Theta will be theta 1 minus theta 2. Okay, theta will be theta 1 minus theta 2. Now multiplying both sides by tan. Now tan theta is equal to tan theta 1 minus theta 2. Now this becomes tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 upon 1 plus tan theta 1 theta 2. Now what we have done? We have used the formula here, tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Now putting tan theta 1 is equal to m1 and tan theta 2 is equal to m2, we get tan theta is equal to, now we are putting in place of tan theta 1 m1 and in place of tan theta 2 m2. Okay, because tan theta 1 is slope for one line, m2, tan theta 2 m2 slope for the second line. So tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So this is the formula between the two lines. Now we are having one more angle that we took as a phi. Okay, now phi be the exterior angle. So now what we can write it? Tan phi is equal to tan pi minus theta. Here first of all phi, what is phi? It was, now phi is equal to pi minus theta. So we have just multiplied by tan. Now negative of tan theta is equal to negative of, now tan theta already we are having this part, so we can write it negative of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so hence if theta is positive, the complete angle will be tan theta is equal to plus minus m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2, or theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so now a very simple thing is I have written, hence if theta is positive, now theta is positive means theta is upside. Now here also negative and negative we can cancel, but the complete angle we have to write, that is this one. Okay, so for theta is a positive, now we can go only for this formula. Okay, so we are having angle between two lines, that will be given by this formula, angle between two lines when slopes are given to us. Is it clear?